Hola chicos, buenos días. Hoy nosotros vamos a repasar el Did You Get It número 2 y 3 del vocabulario. Aquí están las respuestas. Okay, let's see here. Ok, tenemos una bolsa, el paraguas, ¿dónde está? Aquí está el paraguas, el juego computadora, which I don't even know what that is, a computer game, but who's that dude? Zoho, I don't know. Anyway, la computadora portátil, la cartera, tiene dinero, la agenda electrónica, which we don't really have anymore, so we'll call that el móvil, el escáner, scanner, y las gafas de sol. Okay, ahora tenemos which is out of place, el escáner, el paraguas, la contraseña, el paraguas. Conectarse, hacer una sugerencia. Am I getting it wrong? To connect oneself, to make a suggestion, or to enviar. I think shouldn't it be hacer una sugerencia? For some reason, it's not letting me click on it. Okay, well, it's supposed to be hacer una sugerencia. Enviar means to send, and conectarse means to connect oneself. Valioso, la cartera distinto. I guess la cartera doesn't fit there. I don't know why it's not letting me click on it. Oh, there we go. Still gonna go up there. Okay. Sospechar, descargar o conectar hace sospechar, sospechar, sospechoso, sospechar. You know me and my fun smartboard. Okay, a fin de que, en caso de que, temer que, I think it's temer que, oh, it works there. And then estar ilusionado means to be excited. Temer que en la cartera, I'd say la cartera, the other two emotions. To keep es guardar. Búsqueda, el enlace, cartera, mandar or enviar. You can say mandar for this one too. Valiosa, or valioso, sospechar, y la contraseña, ¿dónde está? My face. Oh, there it is, la contraseña. Okay. All right, so decide which of the following are true or false. In order to send correos electrónicos, se necesita una computadora. I'd say that's false, but I guess the book was made. In order to send emails, you need a computer. You could use it from your mobile phone too, but whatever. Okay, un escáner sirve para copiar imágenes en una computadora. It serves to copy images in a computer. True, no? Para conectarse a Internet, in order to connect oneself to the Internet, you need a laptop. You don't have to have a laptop. You can have different devices. Las agendas electrónicas tienen calculadora y calendario. Yep, they have those things, and so does a mobile phone. Sin gafas de sol no se puede entrar en los salones de charlas. What? Without sunglasses, you can't go into chat rooms, which I don't know if I've ever been in a chat room. Para pasar un sitio web, in order to get into a website a otra, hay que tener una cámara. You don't have to have a camera to get into a website. Okay. These, el enlace, hacer una sugerencia en caso de que, conectarse, teme que, y está ilusionada. So before you start, you should go and figure out what those words mean, and then you'll fill them in. So, Cecilia Blank con aprender a usar su nuevo escáner. She's excited, I guess. Okay, está ilusionada. Para conectarse, in order to connect with the internet, you need a sign-on, you need a password. Or send me an email, envíame por correo electrónico el enlace, the link to this website. Te puedo hacer una sugerencia sobre cómo hacer la búsqueda. Could I make a suggestion on how to do a search? Anita is afraid, teme que la agenda electrónica cuesta demasiado. She's afraid it costs too much. Anota en un lugar, so take a little note in a place, in a secure place for your password in case you forget it. En caso de que se te olvide. And if you notice, look at right there, we have some subjunctive, and there's subjunctive right there because she's afraid that. Okay. ¿Tienes computadora? Sí, tengo computadora. Es portátil y la uso para trabajar. Right here. I'm using it right now. ¿Dónde guardas tu computadora? La guardo en mi salón de clase, but right now I don't. La guardo en mi oficina. Esta es mi oficina, chicos. It's really the guest bedroom, but I've taken it over as my office. Actually, yeah. Anyway, ¿qué te gusta hacer cuando te conectas a internet? What do you like to do when you connect to internet? Me gusta conectarme a las redes sociales, the social networks, para ver qué hacen mis amigos, to see what my friends are doing. ¿Dónde hacen búsquedas de tus temas favoritos? Where do you do searches? I always search Google. Maybe use Bing. I don't know. Cecilia, you probably use Bing. ¿Qué es un enlace? What is a link? In what is a salón de charlas? Un enlace es algo que usas para conectar a otro sitio web o un documento. Un salón de charlas es viejo y nadie los usa. So nobody uses them anymore. So I just said it's old because I really don't even know what they are. Anyway, ¿por qué es importante saber conectarse a Internet? Porque hay mucha información útil en el Internet. That's what I said, but you could say whatever you want. Okay, that's it. You should go and do pages 4 and 5, and I'll go over those tomorrow with you. Oh, and today you're going to do an ed puzzle. So go back to Google Classroom, and on there, there's an ed puzzle with Anthony and my little presentation on vocab. Make sure that you watch it all the way to the end, or else it won't submit and won't say that you did the job. So it's worth 8 points. So take your time and do a good job, and you're allowed to use your notes. Okay, have a great day. Email me if you need me. Bye.